So about an hour in, kind of awake because I've also had some caffeine, but it's the remaining amount of the extract. If I did my math right, if this was 0.5%, mitograin containing leaf, then this 15 milliliters would have been exactly 15 grams. That would be on the low level for leaves. Like 0.5% is pretty low compared to some of the tests I've seen, which are like 1% all the way to 2%. 2% being very high in the claims, but screw it. Like the way I see it, I have this huge pain in my arm from falling down a moped, so it's like, do I choose to take like pharmaceuticals, or do I actually prove that natural medicine, or not natural medicine, plant-based medicine works? It's all plant-based, it doesn't really matter. But the point being is, I'm basically, instead of just taking a normal pill, which I could, which would probably make my pain go away a lot faster, I'm gonna try this. So, Godspeed, and inshallah. I said that should be the equivalent of 15 grams, which usually is my limit. I will vomit when I go over 15 grams anyways. So today should be an interesting day. I really hope it works out. Yeah, it could be worse. It could be better, but we'll see. I'll probably have another cup of coffee. If the pain continues to consist after the next 2 hours, then I may take some antisomorphine or ibuprofen or maybe even codeine. I don't know. It just depends. I'm actually in more pain today than I was for the last 2 days. That's mostly because I'm going through the healing process. The day after it happened, I was able to hit the gym. But today, I don't think I'd even be able to do a pull-up.